Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Preeti Speaks. Today I am going to give you the second activity of Standard 9th from your workbook, activity and project notebook. Unit 1, Chapter 2, River System. Here there is a brief information about the rivers and river system. After that, you have name of the activity to prepare a map of river system in your district. Purpose or importance of the activity: to study the river system of Koyna River and Krishna River, which are the main rivers in Satara district, Maharashtra. Proposed time duration for the activity: 1 week. Materials and apparatus required for the activity: map of Satara district, pen, pencil, notebook, camera, etc. The next is methodology of the activity. I visited Karad in Satara district, where the two rivers Krishna and Koyna meet at Preeti Sangam. Krishna and Koyna rivers originate at Mahabaleshwar. The two sisters flow in opposite directions. In Karad, they meet head on. Hence, the confluence is unique and named Preeti Sangam. The Koyna River is a tributary of Krishna River. Krishna River is the fourth largest river in terms of water inflows and river basin area after the Ganga, Godavari and Brahmaputra. It is about 1,288 kilometers long. It is a major source of irrigation in the Indian states of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Location: country India, state it flows through the state of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Region: South India. Physical characteristics: location: Satara district, Maharashtra, India. Source: Mahabaleshwar. Coordinates: 17 degrees 59 minutes 18.8 seconds north and 73 degrees 38 minutes 16.7 seconds east. Elevation: 940 meters, that is 2,999 feet. Geographic headwaters: its mouth is at Bay of Bengal. Discharge of the waters average 2.213 meter cube per second, that is 78,200 cubic feet per seconds. Its tributaries are: to the left Bhima, Dindi, Pedavagu, Musi, Paleru, Muneru. These are the names of rivers, the tributaries which are joining to the Krishna River. And to the right they are Kundali, Venna, Koyna, Panchaganga, Dudganga, Ghataprabha, Malaprabha and Tungabhadra. After that, you have to draw or stick a picture of the river basin. The next is concepts that have become clear during the activity. The river Krishna has culture and religious importance in Maharashtra. The river provides water for the agricultural economy in the state as it allows for irrigation for sugarcane production. What new things did you learn? Krishna River is one of the longest rivers in India. The flow of the river is highly fluctuating as it is dependent upon the seasonal monsoon rains. Conclusion: with the presence of dams in the river, specific issues also arise in Krishna Basin. The backwater effect, which causes flood in the upper Krishna Basin system because of the presence of Almaty Dam, has been critical issue. Write your own opinion or experience about the activity. I learnt a lot about Krishna River, which has a mighty flow and which is fed by the seasonal rains during monsoon. It provides water for irrigation to the state of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Cooperation from the parents. My father and I went to visit the Preeti Sangam. He gave me a lot of information about the river basin. Opinion of the parents. My father told me that the Krishna River and its tributaries are polluted in certain urban areas due to urban pollution and release of the waste directly into the river. This has to be noticed by the authorities. Persons who have helped you. The local people helped me a lot. My parents, teachers, classmates, my uncle, Mr. Patil, who is working in Irrigation Department, Karad. List of the reference materials, books from the library, internet, Irrigation Department, Karad, etc. So friends, this is your second activity of Standard 9th. Hope it is useful for you. Please comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.